How to get 1K followers on Instagram in 5 minutes. The pursuit of rapid Instagram follower growth has become a prevalent goal among users in today's digital age. Instagram serves as a significant avenue for social interaction, brand promotion, and even revenue generation, making it clear why gaining a substantial following quickly is so appealing. Why people want 1K followers in 5 minutes. So, why is there a rush for 1K followers on Instagram in just 5 minutes? Let's dive into some key reasons. Social proof and credibility. A large follower count is often equated with popularity and influence. Rapidly gaining 1K followers provides an immediate boost to your social proof and credibility, enhancing your perceived authority and making you more attractive to potential followers and collaborators. Increased visibility and engagement. Acquiring 1K followers increases the likelihood of appearing in users' feeds and signals Instagram's algorithm that your account is worth promoting. This can result in higher engagement rates over time. Potential for monetization and brand partnerships. Reaching 1K followers also opens doors for monetization and brand partnerships. Brands are often more likely to collaborate with accounts that boast a substantial following, offering opportunities for sponsored content deals or affiliate partnerships. How to get 1K followers. While organic growth takes time and dedication, there are strategies you can employ to accelerate the process. Buying Instagram followers. One effective method is purchasing followers from trusted sources like iDigic. These services provide instant followers, helping you quickly reach your goal while ensuring you choose a provider that delivers real, quality followers. Formulating a strategic approach. Research your niche, optimize your bio, captions, and content, and use hashtags strategically to increase visibility. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.